Have you ever put together a document and, something just felt off? Like the content was solid, but it didn't have that sharp professional look. Well, today we are going to dive into one super simple skill that can instantly take your work from messy to, well, amazing. Just take a look at this. It's kind of hard to read. It feels chaotic, and honestly, it just doesn't look very credible, right? The words are all there, but the presentation, it's just not working. This is a crazy common problem, but the good news is the fix is so simple.
So what's the culprit here? Well, 9 times out of 10, it's inconsistent paragraph alignment. When your text is all over the place, it just creates this visual mess that makes your entire document feel amateur, no matter how great the actual content is. And here's the thing you got to remember. You don't need to be a graphic designer to fix this. Not at all. The tools you need are already built into pretty much every word processor out there, and we're going to get you up to speed on them in the next few minutes.
Okay, so let's pop open the hood and look at your basic alignment toolkit. Think of these as the foundational settings that'll handle, probably about 80% of what you need to do. First up, you've got left aligned. This is the default in most programs, right? It gives you that clean, straight edge on the left, which is super easy for our eyes to read. Then there's right aligned. You'll probably only use this for specific things like a date or a signature line. And finally, center aligned. This one's a no-brainer for making titles and big headings really stand out. Easy enough, right? But that's just the basics. The real magic, the thing that separates the pros from the rest, well, that's up next. All right, if you want to take your documents to a truly professional level, you have got to get to know the justify function. This is the secret weapon you see in books, newspapers, and all those super formal reports. And wow, just look at the difference. It's pretty striking. On the left, you've got your standard left-aligned text with that ragged, uneven right edge. But check out the right. The same paragraph is justified. See how clean and crisp that looks? It creates a perfect block of text with straight edges on both sides. So why does this look so much better? It's because our brains love order. Justify creates this feeling of intention. It looks systematic. It works by subtly tweaking the spacing between words, making sure every single line fills the entire width. That gives your pages a really structured, balanced feel. And hey, this isn't just some style preference. It's literally the professional standard in a ton of fields. I mean, think about the last time you read a newspaper or a novel or a formal academic paper. They almost always use justified text for the main body. It just signals seriousness and makes a lot of dense information way easier to read. Okay, so the big takeaway here is knowing which tool to use and when. To make it super simple, we put together a little cheat sheet that sums up everything we've just talked about. So here's the breakdown. For your standard body text, stick with left align. That's your workhorse. Use center align to make your titles and headings pop. Keep right align for those small, specific items like dates. And when you need that polished, super professional look for a formal report or a book, Justify is your go-to. It really is that simple. So there you have it, a complete guide to professional paragraph alignment. It's a tiny change that makes a massive impact. Now the only question left is, which document on your computer are you going to go fix first?